Welcome to Wealth Echelon. Hello and welcome. Have you ever listened to financial advice online and thought, that sounds great, but it doesn't apply to my life? So much of the advice out there is a one-size-fits-all approach that completely ignores the single most important factor, your income. The investing strategy for someone earning $25,000 a year who is fighting to get ahead should be fundamentally different from someone earning $60,000 with more breathing room, and that strategy is again completely different for a high earner making over $100,000 for whom tax efficiency becomes a critical part of the game. Today, we are going to fix that. This isn't generic advice. This is a specific playbook tailored to you, right where you are. We are going to break down the exact investing priorities, the best accounts to use, and the smartest strategies for three distinct income levels: the $25,000 earner, the $60,000 earner, and the $100,000 plus earner. No matter which group you fall into, by the end of this video, you will have a clear, actionable plan to maximize your wealth building potential. Let's get started. First, a very important disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. All investing involves risk, and you should always perform your own due diligence and consider consulting with a certified financial professional. Part 1. The Universal Foundation, the rules for everyone. Before we dive into the specific income levels, there are three foundational rules that apply to everyone, regardless of how much you earn. Think of these as your ticket to enter the investing game. Skipping them is not an option. 1. You must have a budget. You need to know exactly where your money is going. A budget isn't a prison. It's a tool for control. It empowers you to direct your money towards your goals. 2. You must eliminate high-interest debt. You cannot out-invest 20% credit card debt. It's a financial emergency. Paying it off gives you a guaranteed return you can't find anywhere else. Make a plan and get rid of it. 3. You must have an emergency fund. This is a non-negotiable safety net of 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses kept in a safe, high-yield savings account. This fund protects your investments from life's unexpected curveballs. Once you have these three pillars in place, you are ready to start investing intelligently based on your income. Part 1. The $25,000 Income Playbook, the survival and seed planting stage. If you're earning around $25,000 a year, you might feel like investing is a luxury you can't afford. I want you to know that's not true. At this stage, your goal isn't to invest massive sums of money. Your goal is to build powerful habits and leverage the single greatest advantage you have: time. Every single dollar you invest now is a seed that has decades to grow. The mindset. Your mindset is survival and consistency. You are in the process of building your foundation. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. An investment of just $50 a month at this stage is a monumental victory that will pay off enormously down the road. Your number one priority is the 401k employer match. This is without a doubt the single best investment available to you. If your employer offers a 401k plan with a company match, you must contribute enough to get the full match. A common match is 100% on the first 3% of your salary. This means if you contribute 3% of your pay, your company puts in another 3% for free. It is a 100% guaranteed, risk-free return on your money. You will not find a better deal anywhere on earth. Before you do anything else, you must capture this free money. Your number 2 priority is the Roth IRA. After you've secured your full employer match, your next step is to open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is the perfect account for you at this income level. You contribute after-tax money, and in return, all of your money grows completely tax-free, and you can withdraw it in retirement completely tax-free. Why is this so powerful for you? Because at a $25,000 income, your current tax rate is very low. You are paying taxes now, when you are in a low bracket, to allow your money to grow and be withdrawn later when you will likely be in a much higher bracket without ever paying taxes on it again. Every single dollar you invest now is a seed that has decades to grow. Even if you can only contribute $25 or $50 a month to start, do it. The habit is more important than the amount. Your investment strategy: radical simplicity. At this stage, complexity is the enemy. You don't need a complicated portfolio. Your best bet is to use a single, incredibly diversified, low-cost ETF. Consider one of two options: a target date index fund. This is the ultimate set it and forget it option. You pick a fund with a year close to your expected retirement, e.g., a 2065 fund. The fund automatically holds a mix of U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds, and it rebalances for you, becoming more conservative as you get older. Your superpower: your greatest asset is not money, it's your long time horizon. A dollar invested in your 20s is exponentially more powerful than a dollar invested in your 50s. Your job is to be consistent, capture the free money from your employer match, and let time work its magic. Part 2. The $60,000 Income Playbook. The acceleration stage. Earning $60,000 a year puts you in a position of power. You have more discretionary income, which means you've moved from just surviving to having the ability to truly accelerate your wealth building journey. The mindset. Your mindset shifts from survival to systematization and acceleration. Your goal is to create an automated system that directs a significant portion of your income towards your investments without you having to think about it. Your priorities: the investment waterfall. At this income level, you should follow the classic investment waterfall to maximize your tax advantages. 401k up to the employer match. This is your first stop. Never turn down free money. Max out your Roth IRA. At $60,000, you should have enough income to aim to contribute the annual maximum to your Roth IRA. This is your tax-free growth powerhouse. Max out your HSA if you are eligible for an HSA. This is your secret weapon. It offers a triple tax advantage: a tax-deductible contribution, a tax-free growth, and a tax-free withdrawal for medical expenses. It is arguably the best retirement account in existence. Return to your 401k. After maxing out your Roth IRA and HSA, go back to your 401k and increase your contributions until you hit the annual IRS maximum. Your investment strategy: the 3-fund portfolio. With more capital to invest, you can now implement the classic, elegant, and powerful 3 ETF portfolio. Pillar 1. U.S. Total Stock Market ETF, example VTI. This remains your core growth engine, giving you ownership across the entire U.S. economy. Pillar 2. International Total Stock Market ETF, example VXUS. This provides crucial global diversification, reducing your risk and capturing growth from around the world. Pillar 3. Total Bond Market ETF, example BND. This is your defensive anchor, providing stability and rebalancing opportunities during stock market downturns. A great starting asset allocation for this income level and a long time horizon would be a 70 to 80% stock portfolio. For example, an 80-20 allocation could be 55% VTI, 25% VXUS, and 20% BND. This provides strong growth potential with a meaningful bond allocation for stability. Your superpower is your savings rate. At a $60,000 income, you have the ability to save a significant amount of money. The journey to your first $100,000 is dominated not by investment returns, but by how much you can consistently save. Automate your savings, live on less than you make, and you will reach your goal surprisingly quickly. Part 3. The $100,000 plus income playbook. The optimization stage. Once your income crosses the six-figure mark, the game changes again. You are now a high earner, which means your biggest enemy is no longer a lack of capital, but taxes. The mindset. Your mindset must shift from simple accumulation to tax optimization. Every dollar you can legally shield from taxes is an extra dollar that can be put to work for you. Your goal is to maximize every single tax-advantaged account available to you. Your priorities. The high earner waterfall. The investment waterfall gets a strategic reordering for high earners. Max out your 401k first. At a high income, you are in a high tax bracket. Maxing out your traditional 401k with pre-tax contributions gives you a huge, immediate tax deduction, lowering your taxable income for the year. This is likely more valuable than the post-tax benefit of a Roth IRA at this stage. Execute a backdoor Roth IRA. High earners are often phased out of contributing directly to a Roth IRA. The backdoor Roth IRA is a legal strategy where you contribute to a traditional IRA, which has no income limit, and then immediately convert it to a Roth IRA. This allows you to continue funding your tax-free Roth account. Max out your HSA. This remains a top priority due to its unparalleled triple tax advantage. Invest heavily in a taxable brokerage account. After all tax-advantaged accounts are maxed out, your taxable account becomes your primary investment vehicle. Your investment strategy. Advanced optimization. You will still use the same 3 ETF portfolio, VTI, VXUS, and BND, but where you hold each fund becomes critical. This is a strategy called asset location. In your tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, IRA, you should hold your most tax-inefficient funds. This is primarily your bond fund, BND, as the interest it generates is taxed as ordinary income. Shielding it inside a tax-advantaged account makes it much more efficient. In your taxable brokerage account, you should hold your most tax-efficient funds. These are your stock ETFs, VTI and VXUS. They are more tax-efficient because most of their returns come from long-term capital gains, which are taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income. This simple act of placing the right investments in the right accounts can save you thousands in taxes over the years. High earners can also explore strategies like tax-loss harvesting in their taxable accounts to further optimize their tax situation. Your greatest asset is your massive savings capacity. You have the ability to save tens of thousands of dollars per year. By combining this high savings rate with intelligent tax optimization, you can accelerate your journey to $100,000 and beyond at an incredible speed. Conclusion. Let's bring it all together. Investing is not one-size-fits-all. The right strategy for you depends entirely on your current income and financial situation. At $25,000, your playbook is about building habits, surviving, and capturing every dollar of your employer match. Your superpower is time. At $60,000, your playbook is about accelerating and automating your savings through the investment waterfall using a simple 3 ETF portfolio. Your superpower is your savings rate. At 100,000 plus, your playbook shifts to tax optimization, maximizing every tax-advantaged account, and using advanced strategies like the backdoor Roth IRA and asset location. Your superpower is your massive savings capacity. It doesn't matter where you are starting from today. What matters is that you understand the right priorities for your specific situation and that you begin. Choose the playbook that fits your life, automate the process, and stay consistent. Thank you for watching. If this tailored guide was helpful, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing. Let me know in the comments which income playbook you're starting with. Now go and build your future.